Alright guys, auction just ended for the 2010 plates and patches for the box. Yeah, you can see it. And then 602. Doing it tonight. The Mavs games just ended, so I just watched that and I was going to do the game. The Mavs won, tied it up. Series up 2-2. Alright, here we go. I'm going to do the top hit. I'm going to move it to the side about right here and do that last. Alright. That's the box. Empty. Move this to the front. Alright. A little bent there if you can see that. I don't know if the card's messed up or not. Alright, the first card. Darren McFadden of the Oakland Raiders. Numbered 105 of 499. Next card. Nate Burleson of the Lions. Also numbered out of 499. Of the Tennessee Titans, rookie card of Derek Morgan. And that's numbered 2 out of 10. Jordan Shipley, rookie blitz. Out of 299. First hit is going to be Dominique Franks auto, rookie auto, numbered out of 449. And that's going to the Falcons, which, if I can find it, that's going to Buddy for Fun, 1030. Next hit is Jason Pierre-Paul of the New York Giants. Auto. That's numbered out of 449. And the Giants, that's going for Buddy for Fun too. Next hit is a jumbo patch. Demaryius Thomas of the Denver Broncos. Nice patch, real nice patch, 3-color. It's numbered 2 out of 15. It's a rookie card also, and the Broncos, that's going to be going to Dinkva, D-I-N-K-Va. And the last hit, or not the last hit, there's another hit after this. Rolando McClain, jersey, auto, numbered out of 699. That's the Raiders. Oakland Raiders is going to Me Wee Z. Alright, so here's the last hit. And the last hit is Ben Roethlisberger patch auto. And I think it's 1-1. It is a 1-1. Really nice card. Really nice card. Check it out. Who's got the Steelers? And DF Wayland is getting this 1-1. Alright, thanks guys. That's one of the better boxes. I like that. Alright, and I got 2 more plates patches. One's online right now. These 2 threads right here, I'm going to be putting on tomorrow night and the next night, and also this. And I also ordered 2 boxes of Panini Limited. Somebody suggested them. I think it was Buddy for Fun. And they kind of messed up on order because I pre-ordered something, so they got to wait for that to ship. But Hope you guys enjoy your cards, and I'll get these out as soon as everybody pays. Thanks.